Here is how I blew my accounts when I started as a Forex trader. And in this video, I'm going to tell you my mistakes and how to avoid them. These are the 3 major mistakes that I made when I started. First is that I know a lot. Second is that I was under pressure. And third one is that I was too sentimental about the market. So the hardest part of being a Forex trader at that time was blowing an account many times and coming back to renew the account. It was really difficult for me because I was doing a small business, and from this small business I was funding all those accounts. So these are the mistakes that I made. Let me explain them. Number 1 being knowing a lot. I know this sounds a bit strange, but it is the truth. When you know a lot, when you have a lot of knowledge and information about something, you always get confused. So at that particular time, I was learning a lot from different people, from different YouTubers, from different tutors, and I had a lot of information. I know a lot of strategies, I know a lot of indicators, and this became a problem for me. Anytime I come to the market, I see different kinds of opportunities with different indicators, with different strategies that I learned from many Forex traders. So this became a problem for me. Sometimes I enter wrong trades that led to blowing of many accounts, and this was a very big problem. The next one is that I was under pressure. I know many people will say, why should you be under pressure? Yes, I told a lot of my friends that I'm a Forex trader. I showed them videos of other Forex traders who are millionaires, spending a lot of money on Instagram, and I told them that very soon I will be like them. So they had this mindset that very soon Kingsley will be a rich guy and all that. And every time I'm talking about Forex, and I'm going to be very rich very soon. So because of this, I was under pressure to fulfill my promises and my statements. So anytime I see any form of opportunity in the market or any form of a movement, I just think that this is the right time. I use big lot size, and I was blowing accounts, was making mistakes and losing trades, and this cost me a lot. So it is not good to, in fact, as a Forex trader, when you start trading, I advise that you don't tell any of your friends, you don't tell any of your family members. You wouldn't like to be under pressure because of your statements or because of whatever you said. Next one is being too sentimental. This is one of the biggest mistakes that I made, because anytime I enter a trade or anytime I see the market, I always have a sentimental direction of the market. I feel like it must go this direction, and definitely it has to go this direction. And I keep entering market in that direction, not knowing that the market is the reverse of it. So it cost me a lot, and I really paid dear to that. So what am I trying to say in essence? As a Forex trader, I know many Forex traders out there listening to me right now are in the same position that I was many years ago, and I wouldn't like you to make the same mistakes that I made. Don't tell your friends about your movement, about you trading Forex and all that, and don't promise them that you are going to become a millionaire in no distance time, to avoid being under pressure. Secondly, the knowledge you have right now, I think, is enough. The next thing is to make sure that you master one of them and know how to trade with it, because having a lot of knowledge and a lot of information will only lead to confusion and not understanding what is going in the market and losing of money. And never you be sentimental about market, thinking that you know it all, or the market must respect you and respect your strategy. So see you in the next video about how to avoid mistakes and my story as a Forex trader.